Zakir is spreading terrorism. Charles Farr is yet the head of the anti-terrorism department. He disagrees with the government. You can't ban him. This person is doing good. But they want to show, they want to be tough. The new government, Conservative Party, wants to show that we are tough against the Muslims. So the first Muslim they banned after coming to power, just before I was going to come, I had a valid visa, they cancelled my visa. Why? Because few of my statements. One statement I'll give you an example. I told in my lecture that the thousands of Americans killed in 9/11, I condemn it. More than 50 people killed in the London tube bombing, I condemn it. More than 180 people killed in Bombay in the serial train bomb blast, I condemn it. But I tell the Muslims, don't put a full stop. I also condemn the thousands of innocent people killed in Afghanistan, killed in Iraq, killed in Palestine. So they want to ban me now. I am very careful. I say thousands of innocent people killed in Afghanistan. When I said thousands of people killed in America, I didn't use the word innocent. When I said more than 50 people killed in London, I didn't use the word innocent. When I said more than 180 people killed in Bombay, I didn't use the word innocent. But when I used for the Muslim the word particular, I condemn the thousands of innocent people killed in Afghanistan, in Iraq, in Palestine, and they want to ban me.